Time to Get Tough. Making America Great Again. Author, Donald J. Trump. Donald J. Trump and America, two names, two global concepts, represent a grand spirit of ambition and an unrelenting will to stand at the top. The book, Time to Get Tough. Making America Great Again, serves as a comprehensive manifesto by Donald J. Trump, outlining what he aims to achieve for America. These ideas were central to his 2016 U.S. presidential campaign, reflecting his vision for the nation's future. Through this book, readers gain insight into the lifetime of experiences accumulated by this billionaire businessman, which shaped him into a shrewd and seasoned figure as he ventured into the world of politics. Join us as our channel highlights three key takeaways from Time to Get Tough. Making America Great Again, carefully selected for you. Key point 1. The president must make America wealthy again. Americans understand that the country's issue lies in spending, not revenue. When Donald Trump penned this book, his primary concern was the ballooning national debt. As a superpower, the U.S. has spent decades shouldering the burden of global development, supporting weaker nations through investments, loans, and aid. While this has undoubtedly contributed to America's greatness, it has also brought significant challenges. For a superpower, the priority should be ensuring all its citizens are fed, prosperous, and secure. Yet, in reality, the U.S. grapples with homelessness, unemployment, and millions relying on food stamps. Trump argues that America urgently needs a president who can keep the nation strong, safe, and free. During his presidential campaign, he painted a bold picture, distinct from his predecessors. A president, he asserts, must prioritize the interests of their own people, mastering the art of business and setting the rules of the game. To control the economy is to control politics. The next president must recognize that America's core business is, indeed, business. The key to achieving this lies in negotiating international deals that favor the U.S., rather than catering to other nations. While presidents don't directly create jobs, businesses do. They can foster an environment where entrepreneurs, from small traders to corporate giants, thrive and enrich the nation. Trump emphasizes his own deal-making expertise as a cornerstone of this vision, drawing from his decades in real estate and negotiation. Key point 2. America must put itself first. There's an old saying, if you don't look out for yourself, heaven and earth will destroy you, Trump declares, embodying an unyielding spirit. To ensure a better quality of life, America must be strong. To aid weaker nations, it must be wealthy. Greatness, he argues, isn't about handouts. It's about America standing tall in every battle. Unfortunately, the global political landscape grows more perilous by the day. China is aggressively expanding its military might and developing cyber warfare capabilities that could bring the U.S. to its knees. Russia is resurgent, while Iran, a nation funding terrorists worldwide, edges closer to nuclear capability. Trump expresses frustration with his predecessor, Barack Obama, whom he accuses of downplaying America's exceptionalism, treating it as just another nation reliant on collective alliances. In contrast, Trump sees America as the world's greatest force for freedom, defined by brave hearts, brilliant minds, and unwavering courage. He points to the past, where America's capitalist, free market system generated more wealth and prosperity than any government-controlled economy could dream of. This wealth enabled the U.S. to outpace all nations in charity, doubling the generosity of the next most benevolent country. To restore this prosperity, Trump offers solutions across multiple fronts: securing the borders to stem unchecked immigration, creating jobs by forcing fair trade with China, and tackling the national debt without jeopardizing programs like Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid, which millions depend on. Every policy he proposes aims to revive America's economic dominance, a theme that resonated deeply during his 2016 campaign and later presidency. Time to get tough, making America great again. Key point 3. China is not America's friend. This is a recurring assertion throughout the book. Trump devotes significant space to strategies for countering China, viewing it through the lens of an economist and dealmaker. He labels China a formidable adversary, not a partner, accusing it of treating America as an enemy, while U.S. politicians naively dismiss the threat. Trump contends that China is stealing American jobs, dismantling its manufacturing sector, and pilfering technology and military capabilities at breakneck speed. If America doesn't wise up soon, he warns, the damage will be irreversible. Over the past 35 years, China's economy has grown at an average of 9 to 10% annually. Under Obama's tenure, Trump claims, China prospered abnormally fast while America suffered unprecedented losses. Every 7 years or so, China's economy doubles, a staggering feat that explains its consistent trade victories over the U.S. At the time of the book's writing, the U.S. faced a massive $300 billion trade deficit with China annually, essentially handing over $300 billion to Beijing each year. American companies excel in innovation, technology, and business, yet China matches them in industrial espionage, stealing intellectual property without investing a dime. Trump highlights how U.S. firms spend millions developing new products, only for China to copy them effortlessly. To address this, Trump insists America needs a president who can force China to play by fair trade rules, using economic sanctions as leverage. Only by reining in this formidable rival, he argues, can the U.S. reclaim its position at the top. This hardline stance on China became a hallmark of his administration, influencing policies like tariffs and trade renegotiations. Dear friends, you've just completed the summary of Time to Get Tough, Making America Great Again. Though no longer president, Donald J. Trump's story continues to captivate audiences worldwide. He may not be the most polished politician, but he's a businessman who mastered the political arena. During his 4 years in office, he left an indelible mark on the global stage, whether through tax cuts, deregulation, or his America First doctrine. This book offers a window into Trump's mind, revealing the thought process that shaped his vision of a great America. Thank you for tuning in to our summary of Time to Get Tough, Making America Great Again on our channel. If you found this insightful, please subscribe and give us a like. We appreciate your support.